Hi, Miss Wattel here. I have the joyous task of sending an email to my whole SSRW class today and their families. So let me show you how to send a BCC, which is a blind carbon copy. So I've got an email that's set here. I'm going to call it SSRW, and then I'm just going to write hi, and then blah, 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 blah. Well, here, I'll just write, okay, hi, this is my email. Okay. And then sincerely, okay. Cool. So that's my email, and I'm ready to send it. And I need to send it to a bunch of people, but I don't want them to all reply to all. And I don't want them to necessarily have everybody's contacts because then they'll just keep spamming people. So I don't want that to happen. I'm going to use blind carbon copy, which is BCC. CC is just carbon copy. And blind carbon copy lets me send an email to all of the people that I need to send it to. So, just for example, like Sam at email.com and Joe at email.com and everybody else that I wanted to send an email to, I could include those people in that list. And then I am actually going to send the email to myself and then blind carbon copy everybody else. Maybe I include Mr. Thompson as well, and other people. So now I've got my blind carbon copy list of all of these people that are going to. And by the way, those are fake email addresses. But these would be my blind carbon copy people. In my actual email that I send in a few minutes, it's going to have like 100 emails because each student, there's like 25 students. Each student has like two or three or sometimes four different contacts. So I'm going to include those again as blind carbon copy, and then I'll send my email. And that is how you send a blind carbon copy. What it prevents is those big, long email threads of people replying when they don't need to really reply to all. And also, it just keeps everybody on the list, on your email list, a little bit safer, a little bit more secure. And yeah, I love blind carbon copy. It's fantastic. Please consider using it with your colleagues as well as any other time you're sending out a mass email to prevent those reply all emails. We do not want to see them.